Skates. It is. Skates.
Yeah, but
So, Cluj has won the toss, and I've chosen to bat.
Oh my word! Goodness me!
Tate. It's forward! The slit has taken the wild thing and sent him possibly over the... Oh, that's an enormous hit. That's high in the Hobart skies. Give that up.
Oh my word! Goodness me! Oh my word! Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Now for Pakistan. This is in the slot, and he just dispatches it out the park.
Yes, interesting to watch how he kept his eye on the ball there and his head down all the way. That wasn't a slog, that was a calculated shot. He watched the ball all the way onto his bat, and then he let it rip. Well, at least...
Goodness me! He smoked that! Right onto the embankment!
He's not going to miss out on that.
Well, down the wicket it goes, just as high in the air, that's going all the way, don't worry about chasing that one. Oh, a biggie! Onto the roof of the newsstand. That's a lovely shot, and off he goes again. That's gone the same place. That's also over the top and on the roof. Beautiful shot. 2 out of 2. Almost exactly the same place. Watch out. Sampson, I'm after you.
Grant Flower is not a regular bowler, and he must be very unhappy now that his captain has given him the ball to bowl. That too has disappeared. Similar shot, landing pretty much the same place. On the roof and then rolling behind.
Oh my word! Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Now for Pakistan. This is in the slot, and he just dispatches it out.
Well, down the wicket it goes, just as high in the air, that's going all the way, don't worry about chasing that one. Oh, a biggie!
Oh my word! Goodness me!
So Cluj win the game.